Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 27 power 7 plus 27 power 7 plus 27 power 7 is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So if I take 27 power 7 as common, so what is left? 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now 27 power 7 times 3. 27 we know that it is a cube of 3, so 3 cube whole power 7 times 3. Now exponent rule, a power m power n, we can write it as a power mn or a power n power n. So 3 power 21 times 3 power 1. Another exponent rule, x power m times x power n is equals to x power m plus n. So 3 power 21 plus 1, which is equals to 3 power 22. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.